Organic Markets and Trade. Good day, everyone. This is Ray Marqueto, your presenter. Over the past 30 years, organic agriculture has developed into a global industry with global supply chain of organic food and non-food products across the globe. Organic agriculture is a market-driven industry which has achieved two-digit growth in many parts of the world over quite a number of years due to increased awareness and demand for safe and healthy products from ecologically sound production. With expanded organic markets, local and global trade grew, earn in importance and gain complexity. At the global level, like any other trade, organic trade is ruled by existing trade agreements governing the global trade applying to all food and non-food traded products. International organic markets. Global demand for organic products remains robust with sales increasing by over $5 billion a year. Organic Monitor estimated international sales to have reached $38.6 billion in 2006, double that of 2000 when sales were at $18 billion. Consumer demand for organic products is concentrated in North America and Europe. These two regions comprise 97% of global revenues. Asia, Latin America, and Australia are important producers and exporters of organic foods. The global organic food industry has been experiencing acute supply shortage since 2005. The international organic market for food and drink grew to $33 billion in 2005 and was expected to approach $40 billion in 2006. Main regions importing organic products. The main organic markets worldwide are also the main importing regions, namely Europe, US, and Japan. In Europe, the European market for organic food and drink is the biggest worldwide with $20 billion in 2006. In North America, US and Canada with $17.3 billion in 2006, and in Asia, $780 million in 2006. Main countries exporting organic products. Others are mainly producing countries with relatively small organic domestic markets but big export volumes to main importing regions. The first one is Oceania. The Australasian continent has over 40% of global organic farmland and comprises less than 1% of organic food and drink sales. Australia and New Zealand are important exporters of organic products. The two countries are global sources of organic beef, lamb, wool, kiwi fruit, apples, and pears. In Asia, China, India, Thailand, and Indonesia are mostly producers of primary crops for export to Europe and North America. In Latin and South America, over 90% of organic food produced in countries such as Argentina, Brazil, Colombia, and Mexico is exported. The Philippines can be considered as a country with developing organic industry with the potential for export and a strong domestic market in urban as well as rural areas, if proper development strategies are applied. If a producer in the Philippines aims to export organic certified products, it might be useful to study the international market and do some research on the different importing regions. It is important to know which type and quality products are in high demand and under what conditions they are being traded. It is also always useful to study competing producers and countries in order to properly position oneself. Organic production and markets in Asia. In Asia, the area under organic management is comparatively small but increasing rapidly. The total organically managed area in Asia amounted to 2,632,630 hectares area in 2005 and grew to 3,090,924 in 2006. The highest increase in the period took place in India by about 300,000. Probably due to increased domestic and export demand for many countries, no precise figures are available. Lack of certification and lack of organic regulation has hampered the development of domestic markets and led to consumer confusion in many Asian countries. The situation is slowly improving. Organic rules are placed in a number of Asian countries including China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan, and Thailand. The Japanese market for organic food and drink remains the most important in the Asian region. Emerging domestic markets in China, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, and Thailand are maintaining growth trends. The range of marketing channels is diverse, as are market conditions from rural India to Tokyo, including organic bazaars, small retail shops, supermarket shelves, multi-level direct selling schemes, and international marketing. Exports are still largely composed of fresh produce and low-value commodity crops. Aquaculture, particularly shrimp farming, is becoming popular with projects in China, Indonesia, Thailand, and Vietnam. Organic certified products for exports: banana products, coconut products, mango products, muscovado sugar, herbal tea or food supplements, and papaya, honey, cashew, and many more. Building a domestic organic market. A solid domestic organic market will lessen a potential export dependence of organic certified products and hopefully facilitate interregional trading. It will be necessary, first, to further develop, support services and research for production and marketing, public information, education, and communication campaigns in terms to further improve quality control of production and retailing system, the organic certification system, government policies on organic agriculture, compliance with international norms. Production cost and pricing of organic products for the domestic market. Certified organic products worldwide demand a higher market price than non-organic products. Sometimes, the premium paid for organic products is the only way for producers to survive and to be able to maintain a sustainable production form. This seems to be true for any country, no matter how developed the economies of the respective countries. In the Philippines, it is difficult to establish trends since there is no regular data gathering. There are some trends that can be observed and lessons to be learned. Most importantly, the organic producers are challenged with a somewhat unique process of pricing which is not practiced in conventional food production. Organic rice production. The development of organic rice production in the Philippines would not have been feasible without foreign and local donors who supported agrarian reform beneficiaries communities. It is also true that most of these farmers receive up to peso per kilogram of palay premium rice for their organic rice, which eventually greatly improved their family income. Organic sugar. The only certified organic sugar in the Philippines today is organic muscovado or muscovado sugar. This specialty sugar is highly in demand in European countries in the US. Organic fruits. Organic banana is mainly for export. Pineapple and papaya are both export and domestic markets. Organic fruits are usually more expensive than conventionally produced fruits, but not as expensive as the quality fruits of big commercial farms such as Dole, Dizon, and Ninitas. In smaller markets, organic fruits can have almost the same price as conventional fruits. Organic vegetables. There is a chronic undersupply of organic vegetables, which results in a lot of self-claimed organic vegetables in the market. Thus, it is important to increase the production capacity to discourage some traders from selling mislabeled organic products. Recent surveys in Metro Manila have been shown that prices of traditional vegetables such as eggplant, pole, sitaw, mung beans, peanuts, pechay, and other are close to the prices of conventional produced vegetables. Specialty vegetables and upland vegetables such as bell pepper, broccoli, and cauliflower are priced higher. But some vegetables such as the leafy lettuce type are sometimes even cheaper than the branded ones. To get the stable organic prices in domestic market, it will be important to increase the production areas of organic vegetables and fruits to meet the demand and to reach an improved economy of scale for distribution. It is important for organic producers to be able to compute their real production costs and to share this information with other producers to negotiate with organic consumers a fair price to organic produce. And for the conclusions and recommendations, the government should increase its awareness campaign on organic certification and implement the policies of the Organic Agriculture Law. For this purpose, the smallholder group certification scheme should be promoted more actively to ensure the small-scale producers reap the benefit of their efforts to produce organically. Technical capability and quality of produce should be improved, the volume increase, and production data established in order to develop the organic trade.